Hi, so in today's video we will be building a PVC crossbow that packs quite a punch. So let's get straight to it. So for this project we will need a piece of wood about 2 feet long, a small piece of 4 mm plywood and a 3/4 inch PVC pipe 3 feet long. Cut a notch like so in the wood. Here we will fix the bow. This will be the trigger mechanism. Okay, so I have cut everything. There's the notch and this is the trigger mechanism. Now we need to drill 2 holes here and here. Okay, holes drilled, and I hollowed a space in the wood for the trigger mechanism. Also we'll need to sand down the trigger mechanism. Now cut a length of bamboo skewer to fit through the wood. This will be needed to assemble the trigger mechanism. We will need 2 of these pieces. Now assemble the trigger mechanism like so. The lower part is the trigger. So that's the trigger mechanism. Now the PVC pipe has to be heated till it becomes soft and then bent and squished into shape like so, and 2 holes drilled in the center. These 2 holes will be used to screw it to the main wood. Now cut a notch at both the ends of the bow like so. The string will loop over here. Oops, a bit too deep. And we are done. I tied the string, fixed the bow with screws to the main body, and stuck 2 bamboo skewers to act as an arrow guide. Now load the crossbow like so. And now we are ready to have some fun. This bow is also quite accurate and powerful. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. and don't forget to leave a comment below.